Hi. Like, that's my party trick. It's a party trick I have. Get over it. May as well just get cracking with the video. So you're going to take your index finger, your middle finger and your ring finger, and this is the chord G. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. This is a makeup tutorial. Ginger. I'm going to be ginger today, I think. Like a dark ginger brow. Is just start as I mean to go on, which is getting on with it. Primer. Fenty Beauty True Matte Primer. Getting my skin prep wipes. Pros-aide by Kryolan, actually. I didn't know Kryolan did pros-aide. I got a new one. Dries so quickly, so you've got to work fast with it. Smooth them down with my finger because that, for me, I feel gives me the flattest surface. So when that coat is dry, I'm going to go in with another coat. I'm going to colour correct. Peaches and Cream PC06 brush. I'm using Dermacolour Camouflage System Cream in D508, which is orange. Just the parts of my face that are a little bit bluey grey. Oh, that's a lot. I don't usually use that much, but that's a lot. A lot of my brushes are Morphe and Peaches and Cream. Peaches and Cream brushes are insane. I love them. Just powdering my colour correcting. This is so it doesn't mix in with my foundation when my foundation goes on. Brush away the excess. The powder puff helps flatten the brows as well. I'm going to colour correct the brows as well. And powder. Far too much makeup, it really is. I've been filming for what, 20 minutes? And this is what I've achieved. I'm going to get my skin prep wipe again and just go here because I'm going to put on my face tapes. Little tabs, rip them, take the paper off, stick them there. Yes. I guess. My foundation. Kryolan TV Paint Stick in FS40. Sure you get over the brows. What the heck? Did you see that? You are not ruining this for me. I'm going to take Glossier Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate. I don't really know, this has so many names on it, but it's by Glossier and it's the liquid highlighter. How am I doing this? Maybe on my finger, yeah. And then just tap it onto the face. I'm going to take my Peaches and Cream PC02 brush to blend in my foundation. I'm going to take my Fenty sponge and go over that just to blend it out a little bit more. Concealer. I'm taking my Kevyn Aucoin Central Skin Enhancer in SX02. Just going and blending that out with a little sponge. I like to go back in with my original sponge and just blend out. Okay, contour. I'm using my Huda Beauty Tantour and I'm going to take a Peaches and Cream PC29 brush. Get my original sponge and just blend that out. That is concerning me, those eyebrows. I'm just going to ignore that, I guess. I'm going to go back in with my concealer to really brighten the under eye. I'm going to do a bit of cream blush, the Glossier Beam blush, before I powder. Stick a little bit on the back of my hand, one, and then go where I would blush. Okay, brows. I'm going to do a gingery brow, I think. I'm going to use the Morphe 350M palette. This is all mattes and they're all like warm shades. I'm going to start with this bottom colour here. Sketch out the brow shape. Darken the ends with this colour here. Still very warm though. Get my concealer. And blend that out. Powder. I'm going to powder all over my face with the Kryolan T1 translucent powder. And brush it away. Right. Okay, I'm going to bronze just quickly. I'm going to bronze with the PC05 from Peaches and Cream, and the Marc Jacobs Tantour, no, Tantric. Another thing I want to do is brighten my under eye with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless finish powder in there and underneath my eye. This is in the shade 2. I'm now just going to spray my face because I feel like I've got a lot of powders and a lot of makeup. I don't want it to look too cakey, so I'm going in with the Pixi Glow Mist. I'm going to stick my lenses in. I'll be right back. Okay, lenses are on. I look furious. Kind of into it though. I'm going to bake. Take my powder puff and my Fenty powder. Just go underneath here. I'm going to take a tiny little angle brush, it's just a random one. I'm going to go down my nose in a straight line and then make a little button shape on the end. Just to like, make me look like a who, you know? You know? Shut up, Alex. Eyes. I'm not going to go too crazy with eyeshadow because I want to do like a graphic liner look, which is ironic because I'm terrible at liner. I'm going to prime with the P. Louise base, 0.5. Put a light coat of it on with the Peaches and Cream PC23. For eyeshadow, I'm actually just going to lightly go in with my bronzer. I think I know what I'm doing. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going to map out my crease. Really not going to spend too much time on this portion because I want to go over it with liner. Like that. You can't even see that. And then I'm going in with my KKW Matte Smoke palette and a little Peaches and Cream PC47 and into the shade Porcelain. Just going under the brow just to blend that bronzer. Can you even see that? No, right. Oh well, that's kind of what I wanted to achieve. And now I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to cut the crease with my white dermacolour. This looks very different to what I would do with my makeup usually, so I don't really know how it's going to turn out. I'm going to set that with the Porcelain with just a bigger fluffy brush. I'm really holding off doing this liner because I've got a vision in my head of what I want it to look like and it looks so good and I'm scared that I'm going to bugger it up. What I'm going to do in the meantime is wipe this off. What I'm going to do is go back in with the brows and just go back in with that first colour, go back over the shape. I'm going to wet my brush. Go in with that other shade that I used just to darken it up and just draw some little hairs. This dark colour here at the end. It's a big brow. lower lash line quickly. I'm going to take my bronzer for the lower lash line and this MAC 239 I'm going to go with, I think. Going to roughly sketch out a lower lash line. Take my white dermacolour and just go into my lower waterline. Almost as if we're cutting that crease, but on the lower lash line. Let's just do this liner. Let's just do it. I'm scared. Taking my black track MAC and my little angle brush, getting some on the back of my hand. I'm going to do my inner corner first. Oh, I like that one better than that one. Let's do the lower lash line corner. It's slowly coming together. I'm kind of just experimenting here. Let's get my wing in. Trying into the lower lash line. I'm going to take my NYX and fill that in. I'm losing my mind because I hate doing eyeliner, and why would I choose a makeup look that eyeliner is like the main thing? Because this looks terrible. Angle brush. And then what I want to do is bring this wing over to the crease. Whew, okay, that is sort of what I had in mind. I'm going to clean it up, but for now, I'm happy. I'm just going to darken it up a little bit with my NYX. Cute. And this is what my hands look like. Now that I've done that liner, my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I just keep going in with this spray just because it melts the powders into my face. I've got this Becca blush in Tiger Lily. When it's sheared out, it sort of goes quite glowy. Taking my Peaches in Cream PC27. I'm going to go over the nose a little bit as well. And now some highlighter, the Becca Champagne Pop. Taking my Morphe Y14. And then taking my middle finger right on the tip and then down the bridge. Okay, that is an exceptional amount of highlighter. Bam! Mascara. These are my unicorn lashes in the style Glamazon. Wow, that was the quickest I've ever put a pair of lashes on. Ever. I just went, am I dead? Is that okay? Did I just do that? Yeah, I did. I'm going to do some freckles, and I'm going to use this little guy called Freck. It's this tiny little brush. Bam, 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 bam. Press them in. I'm not convinced over makeup that these are any good. Nah. I'm going to take my Morphe palette again that I used to do my eyebrows. This really dark colour. A few on the forehead. Yes. Let's do bottom lashes. Tatty lashes, Mitchell, underlash, blah 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 blah. I adore these lashes. There. Cool. Okay, how long have I been doing this makeup? 2 hours and 28 minutes. And somehow I'm whittling this down to a video that's less than 20 minutes because I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, lips. First of all, I feel like I alternate between a red lip and a nude lip. I just do. Okay? Get off my back. Uncensored. Fenty Beauty. Stunner lip paint. I'm actually drawing on my chin. Just realised. I want big old Bratz doll lips. If you do like a bold red lip and don't get it on your teeth, Like, who are you? And how do you do that? I think that's the makeup portion done. Right, enough highlighter, Alex, enough. You've gone too far this time. Setting spray, Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. So I'm going to take my sticky bandage round my head, pin it in place. Wig cap over the top of there. Face tapes. Get the metal on the inside of the tape so it's like less visible. And tie them at the back. Great, I'm going to stick a wig on and a top and show the finished look. Be right back. Yes, boom, this is the look, this is the finished look. Ginger, freckles, graphic liner, kind of. Yes, just blend that lace in a little bit. I hope you like it. I love it. This is from Soho. The wig is Webster wig, of course. It's an Amelia in Fire Blend, and the top is from Misguided, I think. Yeah? Huh? Me? Who? Oh, sorry? What? My dinner's ready. All right. Come on. Now, my lace is coming off. I'm taking the piss now. Hope you like this tutorial. Bye.